birthday, Emma.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Sis Mars, Emma.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hi Emma, happy birthday.
Emma, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, ate.
Happy birthday po, Tita Emma.
Happy birthday.
Lola Emma, happy birthday po.
Happy birthday, Emma.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Mamsi.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Mamsi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday, Ma.
Happy birthday.
Emma, happy birthday. Wish ko sa iyo, sana maging successful ka pa dyan. At para yung ating chapel ay ating mapaganda palalo at sana gumaling ka na sa ating mga karamdaman, sa ating mga nararamdaman. Kaya sana maging magaling ka na. I love you. Emma, happy birthday. Sana'y marami pang birthday ang dumating sa iyo. Salamat sa mga tulong dito sa Tacloban City.
Happy birthday, Sis Mars, Emma. Dalangin ko na patuloy kang pagkalooban ni Lord ng masaya, mapayapa at masaganang buhay. A sound and healthy body to serve the Lord. Hugs on your birthday. I miss you. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Emma. May you be the same person that I know. God-centered, grounded, a loving and caring mom and wife. I wish you all the best, good health, long and happy life. And may you be an inspiration always to those people around you. Happy birthday again, and I wish to see you soon. Warm regards and God bless.
Hi, Ems. Happy birthday. Flowers for you. I miss you. Enjoy your day. Regards to all and smile.
Hi Emma, happy birthday! You just got home and just remember it's your birthday, so wish you all the best. Happy birthday!
Hi Emma, happy birthday.
Hello, hope you have a good one. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday. At marami pang dumating na karawan mo. Happy birthday.
Emma, salamat. Sana marami pa sa dumating na kaarawan. At sana binigyan mo pa kami ng maraming biyaya. Salamat. I love you all. Happy birthday.
Hello po, Tita Emma. Happy birthday. Thank you po sa lahat ng tulong niyo sa amin. Enjoy your day. Kiss na anak. Kiss na sa Lola. Kiss. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday po, Tita Emma. Sana po magkaroon pa po kayo ng madaming birthday. Ingat po kayo lagi dyan. Antayin niyo po ako. Pupunta na po ako dyan. Happy birthday po ulit.
Happy birthday! Enjoy ka dyan sa US of A. Ha? Balik kayo pagka pwede na. Mag-ipon ng pampabalik dito. At kahit bakasyon lang, kayo ni Marisa. Bye. Happy birthday muli!
Hello. Hi, ate. Happy birthday. Sana magkaroon ka pa ng maraming kaarawan. Happy birthday sa pinakabait kong ate.
Happy birthday, ate. Happy birthday to you. Sana'y maraming birthday pa ang dumating sa iyo. At maging matagumpay ka, maging masaya. At sana matupad lahat pa ang maraming pang mga pangarap, lalo na sa iyong mga anak. Okay? At salamat din. Salamat nga pala sa lahat ng mga pag-abay mo sa akin, lalo na pagka ako'y sinusumpong. Ikaw ang aking tawagan. Yun. At nalipas. Okay? Muli, happy birthday. At sa pangalan nila ng aking pamilya, lahat kami bumabati sa iyo ng happy birthday.
Hi ate! Happy birthday! Wish ko na sana marami pang birthday ang damating sa'yo. And wish ko rin na sana makauwi na kayo ni na Ate Maisa, kayong lahat. At makasama ko kayo dito. Makasama namin kayo dito. Isa pa, and sana gumaling na tayo ng tuluyan sa ating mga karamdaman, lalo ka na. Alam ko namang sobrang lakas mo kay Lord, kaya yung lakas mo, nagiging malakas na rin ako. Salamat sa mga suporta mo sa akin at hindi ko ito makakalimutan. Alam ko, ikaw na yung naging nanay ko, ng iyong inay, naging ate, ikaw na yung ate na talagang gagawin ang lahat para sa iyong mahal na kapatid. Maraming salamat at sana'y mapagtagumpayan natin ang lahat ng ito. Salamat ng marami and sana maraming pang kaarawan ang darating sa iyo. Yun na. Sana makauwi na kayo dito. So, maraming salamat. I love you, ate. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Hello, Emma. Happy birthday. God bless you at ingat lagi ha. More birthdays to come.
Hello po, Lola Emma. Happy birthday po. More birthdays to come po.
Happy birthday, Emma. More birthday to come. God bless you.
Hello to our sister who has heart of gold. You're simply the best. Happy birthday. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mamsi. I wish you will always be forever strong and healthy. And thank you for everything that you did to us. And we miss you and we love you. Happy birthday again, Mamsi.
Hi, Mamsi. Happy birthday. We miss you and love you so much. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Mamsi. I wish you are always healthy and thank you for all the things you have done to us. Happy birthday again.
Hi, Mamsi. I just wanted to wish you a happy birthday and I wanted to know how old are you now. Plus, I forgot to mention that I love you. It's almost the time on the record, so that's all. Bye.
Happy birthday, Ma. So, first, thank you. Thank you for being my mom. And thank you for giving us the lessons in life and sharing your wisdom to us. Thank you for loving us all unconditionally. And always remember that even if we're all apart, we're just one messenger away. Lastly, I wish you more birthdays to come as usual and good health. I love you, Ma.
Happy birthday, Ma. I wish you all the best. Always have a good health and always God bless po. I love you so much.
Hello po, Ta Emma! Gusto ko lang sanang bumati ng maligayang kaarawan at maninggo bagong taon. Yay! Basta ang wish ko lang sa iyo, keep healthy and stay beautiful. Like me. Yeah, and then, yes, bye-bye po. Always ingat. Mwah!
Hello ma, happy birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Huwag mong pabayaan sarili. Enjoy your special day today and we always love you. From me, Manette, from the kids.
Happy birthday to you, shining star, may your dreams come true. No matter how far you light up the room with your radiant glow. Oh, the world is lucky to have you. Don't you know you're strong with a heart of gold. You brighten up life's to you we behold. Every step you take, catching everyone's eye. You're a beacon of love, let your spirit soar high. Your laughter is infectious, it fills the air with joy that's contagious. We all gladly share your presence, happiness overflows. Your